Proper methods for installing pad cooling system and industrial coolers in dairy barns. During the hot seasons, ensuring the health and productivity of dairy cows requires an effective cooling system. Heat stress can lead to lower fertility, reduced milk output, and a higher risk of disease. One of the most effective ways to manage temperature and maintain the physiological balance of dairy cows is through evaporative cooling systems. In this specialized video from KGY, you'll learn practical and precise methods for installing and positioning evaporative cooling systems, including evaporative coolers and pad cooling system designed for different dairy barn layouts and conditions. Research shows that without a cooling system, a cow's body temperature can rise by 1.7 degrees centigrade in just 20 minutes. With cooling equipment, that temperature can actually drop by up to 1.9 degrees centigrade in the same time. One key reason for a cow's sensitivity to heat is their high metabolic heat production. For instance, a dairy cow can generate over 1,500 kilocalories of heat per hour, making it challenging to keep them cool in high temperatures. The ideal temperature range for dairy cows is between 4 degrees centigrade and 20 degrees centigrade. If your cows are all housed in a single barn, a cross-ventilation cooling system is the most effective approach. These systems can bring air temperatures down to around 20 degrees centigrade, and they're efficient enough to use all year round. Here are 4 practical configurations for implementing cross-ventilation cooling systems based on your barn's layout. In wide barns, install industrial exhaust fan on both sides along with the slope of the roof. Then mount honeycomb cooling pads on both walls. Cage-wise powerful exhaust fans draw hot air through the most honeycomb pads into the barn. As water evaporates from the pads, it absorbs heat, uniformly cooling the barn's air. This cool air passes over the cows, lowering their body temperature and minimizing heat stress. Always use robust exhaust fans with high static pressure like KGY's to ensure long-term performance. These fans feature aerodynamically designed blades and deliver over 180 pascals of static pressure, meaning they can push air effectively even when resistance is high. KGY fans offer nearly double the suction power of standard fans, ensuring consistent airflow without dead zones. Constructed from high-gauge galvanized steel, they are about twice as heavy as typical market options, offering unmatched durability and longevity. If your barn is narrower, try a side-to-side setup. Install KGY industrial fans on one side and honeycomb cooling pads on the other. This layout works well for barns with 8 to 16 rows of cows. The KGY's powerful exhaust fans, positioned opposite the cellulose cooling pads, draws in fresh, cool air and distributes it evenly throughout the barn. For barns too large for traditional pad cooling systems, combine industrial evaporative coolers with exhaust fans. Install KGY's axial evaporative coolers on the upper side walls and mount exhaust fans along both sides of the roof. This method cools the barn faster than pad systems, and it's easier to install and operate. KGY's axial evaporative coolers equipped with 9-blade engineered fans, delivering powerful airflow and a strong static pressure, making them ideal for cooling large barn spaces. They're available in models with 35,000 and 60,000 cubic meters per hour airflow and 600 pascals of static pressure. That's enough to efficiently cool barns between 600 to 1,000 square meters. In barns with a linear layout, place cage-wise axial industrial coolers on one side and exhaust fans on the opposite side. This creates a straight, steady flow of cool air from one end of the barn to the other. It's a simple but highly effective configuration, ensuring that cool, fresh air continuously reaches every row. As demonstrated, evaporative cooling systems are a highly effective and efficient solution for combating heat stress in dairy barns. By utilizing KGY's high-quality robust exhaust fans, cellulose cooling pads, and industrial evaporative coolers, you can provide consistently cool and uniform air in your dairy barn, even in harsh conditions. All KGY products are built with a focus on quality, longevity, and maximum performance, tailored to real-world needs of dairy barns in all kinds of conditions. Need help planning or installing your barn's cooling system? Contact the experienced team at KGY or visit our website to learn more. We've got you covered.